Here we are going to see about the unit 3 continuation. So in this presentation we are going to see the foreign filing disclosure as well as what is the compulsory licensing in the agreements and legislations. Then we are going to see about the some of the case studies. Then controller findings as well as we have to solve it at all. Okay, let me see one by one. So the first thing will be the foreign filing disclosure. So that is when we are applicant that is furnishing the filing means the prosecution details of similar applications will be with the other countries. So non-compliance is a ground for revocation. So the controller will be asked the information from time to time from the particular governments. So that is when you are in a Australian government means you have to ask the controller and gives the information to the time with a detailed manner. Okay. So the next thing will be the dilution of foreign filing requirements. What are the requirements are been applied means Delhi High Court ruling in Koningpledge Philips Electronics, that is NVV Maj retired Sukesh Bill. So he has planned that as a plaintiff's agent accidentally and he has missed one page during the submission. So the defendant argued that the patent would not have been granted if the information had been submitted. So they have filed the Philips method. So likewise they have required the many process. Next, compulsory licensing. So compulsory licensing are of three grounds. That is, first thing will be the reasonable requirements of public notability. So it should be followed in everything, that is the human rights as well as the healthcare. It is also not available at a reasonably affordable price. So the prices should be very compulsory licensing, because if in when any product they have mentioned affordable prices means we have to follow this particularly, and we have to get a licensing for that. Not being worked in the territory of India. Okay, so these are the three compulsory licensing we are following in a way. So here they have mentioned the country, product, disease and notes. So that is in Brazil we have already seen that is a HIV AIDS disease this product. So it's for that they have introduced the product as a Stoprin. So it is issued in 2007 and renewed in 2012 for another 5 years. Okay, next thing will be the Egypt. There is Viagra. There is a male erectile dysfunction. So it is issued in 2002. Likewise, HIV AIDS are all disease for all disease. They have introduced, some of the countries have introduced a new product, that is Zimbabwe. They have introduced the lamivudine, stavudine and nifedipine. So it is issued in 2004. Likewise, all the countries have introduced for HIV AIDS as well as the cancers. So in this slides they have mentioned that is the HIV AIDS as well as cancers disease. For that the country Indonesia has introduced the product as efavirenz, that is issued in 2007, and for cancer Thailand has introduced letrozole, docetaxel and erlotinib, that is issued in 2008. So likewise in India for cancer they have introduced an Nexavar. So it is issued in 2013. So first CL that is granted to NATCO is, so NATCO is mainly that is in India the Nexavar is a drug that is used for cancer. So it is a 2.8 lakhs per 120 units. So the CL granted the controller by the controller, that is exorbiting the pricing, supply, then manufactured in India or not, royalty, net sale, everything will be granted and checked, and then only the CL will be granted. So it should be led to the 97% of reduction in their prices when compared to other countries. So here the next hour license case, that is SC dismisses Bayer's appeal against the HC decision. So that is New Delhi, that is Supreme Court on Friday has dismissed the Bayer's Corp's appeal against the Bombay High Court decision. So it is in July refused to revoke a compulsory licensing which is issued to the India's Natco Pharma to sell a version of the German drug major kidney cancer drug, that is Nexavar. Okay, so then the case has been watched by several foreign pharmaceuticals companies. They have implications of the outcome on their patented drugs. So they have acted the claims and as affordable to the most people. So the India's will stand its need to ensure the rights of its citizens to get access to the new drugs at affordable prices. The next, the latest CL cases, that is Lee Pharma. So it is main thing as AstraZeneca, that is anti-diabetic drug which is used for saxagliptin type 2 diabetes. So the drug functions by blocking the diabetic peptidase 4. So rejected by the controller, which is based on the prima facie evidences. So that is AstraZeneca. Okay. So this is the controller's findings. So the presence of equally efficacious, that is inhibitors, will need to account when ascertaining demands. So the patented drug is available at reasonable affordable price. So Lee Pharmas will offer rupees 9 this this drug as a cheaper price, and it will be current in the prices. So working does not mean the local manufacturing. So statement of working. So the working statement will be the previous year which is need to be furnished by March 31st. So there is extent of working, license granted, reason for not working. So the patented invention needs to be commercially worked to the fullest extent possible. Next is the discovery of new form of a known substance that does not result in the enhancement of known efficacy. So here the discovery of the new property of known substance should be very useful, and it is used as a known process, machine or apparatus which should be results in a new product or employees at least one new reactant. So it cannot be patented. So here is the Novartis versus the Union of India. It is established in 2013. Okay. So the landmark decisions will be against the overgreening of pharmaceutical patents. So the validity will be from the 20 years. After that, the Patent Act will be introduced, and it is introduced in the year of 1970. So they have found the new substances which should be patented in India, and it should be increased efficacy as shown in the figures. So there is a imatinib mesylate was known. So it is a Novartis that is wanted to be betas. What cannot be patented? So that is frivolous or obviously contrary to wills established natural laws. So it is to be a public order or morality, and it's a discovery of the scientific principles for the formulation of abstract theory. It is also have a new form of known substances, that is new property of the known substance which should be used in the process, and also mere admixture. After that, the mere arrangement and rearrangement of combinations of known things will be patentable, and other things will not be. So agricultural and horticultural methods and treatment methods that are also not patentable. So the plants and animal processes for their propagations also not patentable. For example, when you are using the computer programs, that is mathematical or business method, that per se or algorithms should not be patentable. Literary, musical, dramatic will be only copyrighted, not will be patented. Likewise, traditional knowledge, everything will be comes under this forms. Likewise, atomic energy products, likewise, that also falls in the scope of a S20 Act, that is not will be patentable. Eligible for a patent or not. So the method of treatment of cancer will not be eligible, and the production of cooked mix will be eligible. Pearl millet will be eligible. Silver nanoparticles are not eligible, and the microorganism existing in nature will be eligible. Next one, transmission system for an automobile is eligible. Mobile phone in a stethoscope will be eligible. Cricket ball throwing machine will be eligible, and law of gravity will not be eligible. Paris Conventions. So that is, it should be came into the force in 1883, and it should not have a specific patents. That is, it should covers the industrial property. That is, the patent, design, and trademarks. So the main thing will be the applicant has 12 months of initial date of filing, and it is similar to the applications in other countries. So here the citizens will be there for the purpose of IP protections, and they have gives the protections out. So the number of members has grown from 11 to 177. Next, Patent Cooperation Treaty. So it should be came into the force in 1978. So here the members are from 18 to 150 plus. So that is, the Patent Cooperation Treaty filing application should be from within 12 months at the date of priority. So if the applications get published, means the Internal Search Authority will be gives the issues, and that will be the report or written opinion. So the Indian Patent Office was issued a ISC status in October 2013. So the examination is optional only. So we have to time to judge the market or commercial potential. Here is the figure, that is, it shows that first we have to file the PCT application. Then after filing the PCT application, 12 months within the time we have to PCT filing. After completing the 12 months, they have to mention the 16 months. That is internal search report. After that, in 18 months, international publications will be applied. After 19th month, it will be the request for the supplementary of international search. After 22, we have to give a filing of demand of articles, and after 28, that is the supplementary international report will be given. So after 30th, we will split up this into national phase entity, that is the IPRP communication chapters. Thank you.